Hey guys, so I'm back in another video showing you guys how to live stream. So what you gotta do for it is when you click YouTube, guys, you see your search, right? So on the left of that, you guys see this videotape thing. You guys are gonna click on that and then go live and then put access, and then like after that you can put your location, and then if it's public or unlisted. And then you guys can click more options for schedule, and then advanced. So if you guys want enable age restriction, like if they're like 4, then you really can't watch it. If you guys want that, I don't know, guys. But if you guys want like donations, paid promotion, just enable this, and then enable these two for the donations. And then you guys can add a description and create the title. Also, you guys can flip the camera whenever you want to. And if you guys schedule it for later, you can actually change it. Today, 7:48 a.m. But I'm not gonna schedule that. That basically just tells you, like pretty much when it's done or something like that. So that's pretty much how you live stream, and you guys can record too here. And then that's pretty much how you be live. And just got